In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily buy the cryptocurrency Tron in the United States. I will show you step by step how to exchange money from your bank account into Tron. For this, we will use the crypto exchange Kraken. Except for Washington and New York, Kraken is available in all US states. To buy our crypto, we need to follow these 4 simple steps. First, we have to create an account on Kraken. Then we have to verify our account. After that, we can deposit money, and in our last step, we can make the purchase. To get started, simply go down to the video description, click on the link, and you will end up at exactly this page so you can follow all the steps perfectly. Once you're here, let's click on Get Started. So we will get to this page where we now have to enter our email address, give ourselves a username and a password, and then finally choose our country of residence. And after that, choose our state. I'll agree the terms of service and click on Create Account. Then we will get an activation code to our email. This is what the activation email will look like, so we can either copy in this code right here or just click on the link. As you can see, our account has been activated and we are now on this main page. Our next step will be to verify the account. For that, you can either click on this button right here or go up to your profile here and click on Get Verified. As you can see, we have 2 options to verify our account. Down here you can see the benefits of the 2 options. You can choose whichever one you need. I would personally recommend you to use the intermediate, so I will just go here and click on Verify. Now you will have to go through this verification process where you will have to enter all of your details and provide a copy of your ID. Once your profile is verified, you will receive an email, and you can also check that by going up to your profile, click on Get Verified. And now we can see that we are verified at the intermediate stage. Alright, once you're done with that, we can now deposit money to our account. To do that, we click on Funding up here. And then we will look for our currency, so we will go to US dollar and click on Deposit right here. Now we have to select a deposit method, so I'll click on here and choose just a normal bank transfer through the SWIFT system. And now we've got all the relevant information down here that we need for the bank transfer. Don't forget to include your personal reference code in the wire transfer. Alright, so I've made the transfer, and as you can see, a bit over $200 has been credited to my account. In our last step, we can now buy the cryptocurrency. To do that, we will just click on Buy Crypto right here at the top. Then we can select our coin right here in the middle. So I'll click on here and type in Tron and select the coin. Now we can type in how much we want to invest. So in this case, I'll go for $200, and then we can click on Preview Buy. Then we'll get to this page where we can see exactly how much Tron we're getting, at what price we're buying, how much fees we're paying, and how much we are investing in total. Now all we have to do is click on Buy Now and the purchase is completed. If you want to make the purchase and use your credit or debit card, you can also do that by just clicking on Pay With, and instead of choosing Kraken US dollar balance, go to New Debit and Credit Card and type in your card information. Once you've added and selected your card, the other steps remain just the same. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope this was helpful, and if you want to get started on Kraken, I would appreciate it if you would go down to the video description and use my sign up link. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.